Assalamualaikum. Alright. This is the solution. Okay. For the homework assignment, probability and counting rules. Alright. So let's begin. Question number 1. So it says here, we have to choose 5 balls from an urn containing 8 red and 7 blue balls. So 5 of the red balls are marked X and none of the blue balls are marked X. Okay. So find the probability that for A union B and A given B. Okay. So you have two conditions given there. One is A, only 3 red balls are chosen. So if you like, we can actually start with finding the probability for A. That would be, if you choose 3 red balls, then you must have chosen the red balls from the 8 red balls, right? So 8 choose 3. And for, because you have to choose 5, right? So there must be 2 more. So the 2 more must be from the 7. Okay, 7 C2. And alright, I forgot, you have to check the sample space. Okay, it's not going to be 15. Okay, it's going to be 15 choose 5, because you don't choose 1, you choose 5. So over 15 choose 5. Okay, so that would be, if when we calculate, that would be 0.3916. Okay, and then we go on and calculate for B. Probability for B, only 2 marked balls are chosen. Okay, so how many marked balls are there? There are 5 only. Okay, because the only marked balls are the red ones. Okay, the blue balls are not marked. Therefore, for 2 marked balls are chosen, we must have chosen out of 5. And the rest must be 10, right? 10 unmarked. So from the 10, we have to choose 3. And over 15 C5. Okay, so calculating that, we have 3996. Okay, 0.3996. So we have prepared this. Okay, because we have to answer, oh wait, there is one more. We have to find the probability for the intersection. Alright, because if you want to find union and conditional, you have to use the intersection, right? So the intersection means 3 red balls and 2 marked balls. Okay, 3 red balls and 2 marked balls. So to intersect this A and B, meaning you have to choose 3 red balls. Okay, and from your red balls, 2 are marked already. Okay, 2 are marked, and the marked balls, you have to choose from the 5 red balls. Okay, so you have to choose 5 C2. This means these 2 are marked balls. Okay, so that means you have already chosen your marked balls right here, because there are no marked balls from the blue balls. So you have to get 2 marked balls, meaning you have to choose your marked balls from the red ones. Jadi you have taken actually 2 marked and red. So you only need how many? You only need, out of 3 red balls, you only need 1 more. Okay, right? Okay, and you have 3, right? You have 3. So 3, that would be A union B. Okay, 7 C1, right? 15 C5, which is 0.2098. Okay, 0.2098. All right, 0.2098. Oh, wait. This one is not 1, it's 2. Okay, because it must make 5. Okay, so 2, 1, these are all red balls, right? So you have to choose 3 red balls and 2 marked balls. Okay, so these are 2 marked and red and 3 unmarked and red, and there must be 2 more to complete 5. Okay, so this is what you get, right? And you can go ahead and calculate the union. So A union B, okay, that will be PA plus PB, right, minus probability of A and B. Alright, so calculating all this, 3916 plus 0.3996 minus 0.2098. Alright, so answer is 0.5814. Okay, so that's the answer. And then for part B, okay, since we have already collected all the necessary probabilities, right? So use the conditional formula. So A and B over probability of B. Okay, so we have calculated A and B here, right? Therefore, just plug in the values, okay, over B is 3996. So answer is 0.5250. Okay, so that is for question number 1, right? Alright, so we go on to question number 2. Okay, it says here, a customer using an ATM, a customer using an ATM is required to enter a 6-digit PIN. Okay, so the 6-digit PIN will be the sample space, right? So how do you calculate the sample space? You have 6 digits, right? And there is no restriction here, kan? No restriction. So it means for the first digit, you can use all the numbers from 0 through 9. Okay, digits means 0, 1 until 9. So there are 10 digits. Okay, so 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Like when we learn in the first part of the chapter, okay, the counting principle, multiplication principle, sorry. So that will be 10 power 6. That is the sample space. This means the total possible number of pins, okay, if you use all the 10 digits without restriction, will be 10 power 6, okay. So if Ahmad forgot his pin, what is the probability that is he enters his pin correctly, okay, in the first attempt? So that means Ahmad must have entered the number correctly. So the only way that he can enter, okay, is when he punch in, right, that number, okay. So that number must be 1 out of this number. Okay, so the probability would be 1 over 1 power 6, which you can actually, okay, I don't mind if you leave it this way. This is also okay, 1 over 1 power 6 or 1 over, what is 1 power 6? This one, right? Okay. Bukan 1 power 6, sorry. 10 power 6. Okay, 10 power 6. So, oh, I have one extra. 10 power 6. That's okay, it's correct. So this is the answer. Okay. So I'll see you in the next video for the next question.